As networks evolve to higher and higher wavelengths, bend insensitivity becomes an even more important component of network integrity.
In our interactions with global telcos, we've seen problems with day zero network commissioning. Every time we diagnose the problem, we find it is always due to high bend loss.
With the coming of 5G, operators need to lay out networks with higher fiber density and do it faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. All this calls for a special fiber, and that's what we set out to make. We put together our talent and expertise from around the world, conducted brainstorming sessions, we designed and shaped ideas, and we pushed feasibility to the limits. Legacy networks largely use G.652.D Fibre, where you need to ensure mode field diameter compliance when splicing. Also, we need to make sure that we can make tighter, smaller cables which need the G.657.A2 spec for bend insensitivity. What Stellar does is combine these two characteristics into one fiber.
We asked our research and design team to, can you come up with a fiber that has the benefits of A2, the macro bend benefits, and also is mode field matched to D fiber, so exact mode field match. And they were able to come up with a design and a recipe to do that.
Stellar Fibre enables installers to splice to legacy D networks without the apparent gain loss issue that one normally encounters, and this makes rollouts faster and more reliable. We can also make tighter, smaller cable with Stellar, and this reduces the footprint of the network. Finally, Stellar can be used across the network in different paths, and this ensures compatibility. With Stellar, we enable the 5G networks of tomorrow. Stellar is the fiber of the future.